Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your April 2018 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. You can subscribe to it or just pick it up when you want to. It includes 2 new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to get small samplings of new collections all year long. This month's collections are from Simple Stories, the Crafty Girl Collection, and Bella Boulevard Pop Quiz. When you purchase the Double Shot Kit, you not only get all of this fabulous product, but you're also going to get 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections, designed by the design team. So it will have a color photo of the finished layout and give you some cutting and assembly directions as well. So be sure to check out all of the kits available from the Scrap Room, and let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection from Bella Boulevard, Pop Quiz, is this great school-themed collection, but of course you could use the B-sides and scrapbook just about anything, as you'll see. So in the Bella Boulevard collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of Atlantic cardstock. And then for the pattern paper is this one called Get to Class. So it has the hexagons with all the different icons inside of them. So you could fussy cut those apart and do a design on a page, which would be a lot of fun, or cut it as a border. The back side looks like geometry class, trigonometry, algebra. It's got all of these math equations. This one, called Goofing Off, has the paper airplanes. The back side is a wonderful grid design that again reminds you of school, but it's a great, just kind of a neutral pattern. This one, called Test Anxiety, has all of the pencils on top of some lined paper. And the back side has the graduation caps with congrats. So one more look at your patterned paper. Then for the embellishments, you're going to get part of the Daily Details paper. So this is a cut apart sheet, so you could cut these apart to create layers or embellishing on your projects, or even flip it over and you have this black with white polka dot that you could use in some of your paper. You're going to get a set of stickers. So it's a sheet of the tiny colorful alphas. So these will vary among the kits, as well as a 1/4 pack of the ephemera. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is just a good sample. This is what I received in mine. So that's Bella Boulevard Pop Quiz. The next collection is one of my favorite manufacturers, which is Simple Stories, and this is the Crafty Girl Collection. So with this, you're going to get 2 sheets of craft cardstock and 1 sheet of lollipop cardstock. For the patterned paper, this one called Live, Love, Create, which is a beautiful floral. The back side is this diagonal plaid with all of the different colors in the color palette for this collection. So this one's probably my favorite, called Craft Night, which has all of these illustrations of little girls. I love the ones with their little glasses and their little messy buns and ponytails. So super cute. And again, it has a beautiful floral on that dark navy blue. Then this one, the 4x4 elements, so you can cut these apart, use them in pockets, or layering up behind your photos, or even fussy cutting some of the elements out for embellishing. Or use the back side, or a combination of all. This one has buttons all over it in the different colors. So one more look at the patterned paper. Just a gorgeous collection. For the embellishments on this one, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So you will not run out of embellishments on this. There are 2 border strips, lots of word labels and tabs, some tags, always some words that you could use in your titles or subtitles, and then little icons to cluster around. So that is Simple Stories Crafty Girl. So one more look at your April 2018 Double Shot Kit. If you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup so you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. And come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to join in on challenges, see what your fellow subscribers are creating, as well as the design team. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.